guys, Minigame Kids here, and today I'm going to show you 5 building hacks. And this is my first video, so please like and subscribe. Type in the comments, great job Minigame Kids for life for making your first YouTube video. Put that down below, happy emoji. And also like and subscribe if you want this guinea pig to be in the next episode. I will explain his name later. Yeah, and I'm going to show you 5 building ideas for your Lego builds. So if you get this, so normally if you get like that piece and get like one of these pieces, just stack them on like that piece upside down and get really those like things so that you like put names on name tags from Minecraft. You get like a blue stormtrooper. I'm borrowing this from my brother. It kind of looks like a guy wearing a whole bunch of diamond armor. You get this. This looks like a weird thing that might. It kind of looks like a thing with like a beak. Kind of looks like a. I don't know, but this might be like a art museum. This is a mini like futuristic car that can like fly, and here is a treadmill. You probably think this is useful. Well, don't think it's not useful. Say you get a minifigure, boom. If you get like this, it kind of looks like a mini Lego set being on a conveyor belt. It's also the same with like that and that, but the minifigure unintended. Then also, again, like and subscribe if you want this guinea pig to be in the next episode. And his name is Cheeky, by the way. So you want Cheeky to be in the next episode, please like and subscribe. And please put great job Minigame Kids for life and for making your first YouTube video. Happy emoji down in the comments. Please, that'll make me so happy, so please. Bye.